A very good evening to all the parents, grandparents, viewers, friends. You have taken out time to join us live on Facebook today for Wow Kids webinar with parents. I welcome you all. Beginning of month of March 2020, that is usually the beginning of a new academic session. None of us had ever imagined that our preschools would be closed to a worldwide pandemic. We, as educators, soon realized and recognized the challenge of teaching virtually, as none of us had ever done it ever before. But we predicted, and what does not surprise me at all is that our teachers stepped up big time. They stepped out of their comfort zone. They quickly adapted to the remote teaching methods. They expanded their skill set. They mastered the new technology platforms. We as a team started exploring innovative ways to connect with our children, our parents, our colleagues. And believe me, in the last 4 months, we have come a long way. We had our own set of roadblocks, but the unrelenting support and faith of our parents made this entire journey feel like a cakewalk. While some parents decided to discontinue the learning of their little ones, as it was a strange time, something new to everybody, most of the parents decided to continue and give it a try. And we call them wow parents. These parents decided that no pandemic can stop the learning of their little one because they are growing each day and they don't want to miss even a single day of learning and fun. So I'm so happy and so proud that these parents tried and they tried everything to make even this difficult time memorable for their little one. Today, I'm pleased to be joined by five such parents, and it's a pleasure. I welcome each one of you to Wow Kids webinar on the topic, Is Virtual Learning Working for Preschoolers? So let me introduce, we have Mr. Dinesh Nayak, grandfather of Parin Nayak. We have with us Mrs. Samiksha Salgaonkar. She's just joining in. I'm sorry. We have Abir's mother, Mrs. Gitanjali Mehrotra. Aditi's mama, Mrs. Neha Agni, and we have
Hi.
Nick's mother, Mrs. Sandhi Solanke. I welcome each one of you, and it's a complete pleasure to have you with us on this webinar. Let us start with this question. I think we can start with Aditi's mama. So,
Oh,
Mrs. Agni, what was your first reaction or thought when you heard about that Wow Kids has planned a virtual summer camp in the month of May? What was the first thought? Would you like to share that with us?
of course, of course. First of all, I'd like to thank you for having us all here. And I'd like to go back to last year when, in the month of March 2019, when Aditi completed 3 years, uh, we wanted to enroll her for summer camp because I don't think many schools organize summer camps like Wow Kids does. So we wanted her to go and explore, but she was not ready. She was very hesitant and didn't want to go. So we were like very disheartened and disappointed. But then we thought that since her academic year of nursery is starting from June 2019, so we thought might as well we'll enroll her next year and then she'll be happy to go with her friends. But because of this pandemic, as we all know, everything was shut, schools were shut. All thanks to you, first of all, because I think you were the first one to take decision to like shut down even before the government declared official lockdown. So that was really wise thinking. And so we were again very disheartened, thinking that last year she could not attend and this year it is like difficult. But then our kids came up with this virtual learning, and we were, believe me, we were thrilled. But also, we were like thinking how it will go ahead, because
Right.
summer camp was supposed to be like cookery, crafts, and dancing, singing, and everything. So I didn't know. We
Right.
really did. But then I must say, it was well organized. That 1 month just went on like just passed by in a jiffy, and we all were happy to see that kids were like busy the entire day with crafts and art, and new rhymes, dancing, so with innovative games that we just couldn't imagine that teachers can come up with such games. And
Right.
uh, again, I would say that it is really difficult to like conduct such camps virtually. It may be a little easier in person. So heads off, I can just say heads off to all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mrs. Agni. If I have to add to what you just said, that it was not easy, honestly, because as you mentioned, it was something new to all of us. I mean, obviously, it is happening in a century, right? So nobody knew exactly what is right and what is wrong, what you should do or what you shouldn't. But we knew we had to do something because we are not we just can't sit idle. So, and I think the way the teachers got together quickly, and I think we took 15 days, a lot of brainstorming, and yes, it was a very good experience for us as well. So thank you so much that you went for it and made it a success. Thank
All
you so much.
thanks to you and Atul sir.
Thank you so much. That's so nice. Uh, Great. So that was really a good start to know. Let me move to the second question. Let me ask next Mama, Mrs. Sangvi. Uh, what does your child feel when he or she sees his teacher on the screen every morning? So as you know, we started our session in June. And so what is the experience, when he gets up and he sees the teacher on the screen?
मैडम गुड इवनिंग ऑल। पहले मैं
Good
तो
evening.
ये बोलना चाहूँगी, जब हमको हमको पेरेंट्स को जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में पता चला होने वाले हैं, तब हमारे दिमाग में यही था कि बच्चे एक जगह घर में मतलब निक्स एक जगह कैसे बैठेगा घर में,
जी।
क्योंकि बच्चे एक जगह ज़्यादा देर तक बैठने मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है, वो भी घर में।
हुँ,
फिर
हुँ।
धीरे-धीरे मतलब जैसे कि क्लासेस शुरू होते गए और आपकी टीम मतलब वाओ किड्स की टीम ने उसको इतना अच्छा प्रेज़ेंट किया है, इतना अपने मतलब फिज़िकल मूवमेंट, अपना एक्सप्रेशन इतना एंटरटेन बच्चों को इतना एंटरटेन किया है, अभी बच्चे खुद ही मतलब जैसे कि मैं अभी रेडी करती हूँ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए मतलब चेयर वगैरह रखती हूँ,
जी।
मोबाइल सेटअप वगैरह कर तो बच्चे समझ जाते हैं कि अभी टीचर आने वाली है और अपनी जगह पकड़ लेते हैं। हाँ, अभी टीचर आएगी करके। हाँ, और
जी।
ज़्यादातर निक्श टीचर्स का एक्सरसाइज़ बहुत एन्जॉय करता है, क्योंकि उसे बहुत
हुँ,
पसंद है एक्सरसाइज़ करना, वो बहुत एन्जॉय करता है। और ये सब आपकी टीम की वजह से ही हो पाया है। थैंक यू वाओ किड्स टीम। आपकी सभी
थैंक
मेहनत
यू।
की वजह से अभी बच्चे इतने मतलब एक्टिव हो रहे हैं घर वो भी घर बैठ-बैठ के इतने एक्टिव हो रहे हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच एंड सीरियसली जितना बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं, बिलीव मी
हुँ,
हमारे टीचर्स उसको प्लान करने में आई गिव द एंटायर क्रेडिट टू माय टीचर्स।
सेम,
बिलीव
यस
मी
मैम,
एवरी
सभी को।
डे जो आपने फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज की बात की, सो आज कौन सा ब्रेन बूस्टर हम करने वाले हैं
हाँ,
या आज कौन सी योगा आसन होगा। So I totally give the credit to my team because ये उसमें मेरा
वाओ किड्स टीम।
कोई योगदान नहीं है. So they are so well trained and the way they are exploring new ways, new things, which we can incorporate जो हम रोज अपने live call में या creative expression में add कर सकते हैं. So they are on it.
हाँ,
So I give this appreciation for my team, and this is for you, teachers, and thank you so much. This means so much. Great, thank you so much. Next, Mama.
वाओ किड्स टीम्स।
So, Mr. Nayak, I shall ask the next
Yeah,
question to you.
before
So, you were saying something?
no, ask the
Okay,
question,
so
please.
Yes, so I will ask this, Mr. Nayak, how do you feel that that the daily connect call that we do every morning with our children, does it make a good start for a day for our children? Does it create a routine for them? Has it been able to do that?
Before I start my subject, I want to congratulate all the teachers and you especially because
Thank
you
you
are
so
all the backbone of this new Weber classes.
great. Thank you, sir.
So actually, it is like a chain. If you miss one day also, the chain breaks, and then the child will not able to understand. And it is like a revision. Whatever he has done for last 2 days or 3 days, he takes that, it repeats it, and it's continuous process. So it should not be stopped. The classes
Right,
should be every day. And because of this, he has become more active. Earlier, he used to speak very less. He used to not talk with others also. But now he is very active. He's talking with all other teachers also. He's
yes,
replying all the answers what he wants to give. And he himself tell him in the morning that I want to attend the school. I want to attend the class. So
that's
he's
nice.
happy. He gets up every time in the morning at same time. His routine work is he has changed all these systems. Before class he is ready. Everything is ready,
Mm.
and he wants to attend it very all the day. He wants to attend it. He don't want to miss the class.
That's so cute. Right. And I must mention here, Mr. Nayak, as a grandparent, you've been with him from day one. You attend the classes with him. The way make it interesting for him as a child to communicate with the teacher is commendable. And I'm sure as parents are there with us, they know, the I think in a way it's like inculcating a value of how do you sit in a virtual class. So rather than just shouting that I want to say something, and because we have a lot of children logged in, it is such a beautiful manner of they have come up with placards of a shape of a hand or a horizontal one which says I want to answer, it's my
So
turn.
that
So
that I realized when all kids want to explain all the answers, it is very
right.
difficult for you to understand also. So if I show the ply card, it is very you can recognize him and you can ask him easily.
Absolutely, and that's the reason I can't stop appreciating that effort because it's so beautiful. And I think, in a way, Imagine Parin has learned such a nice way to express that, I don't need to shout. I just say, okay, I want to answer. And it's so big. It's so creative. It is visible to the teacher. So really nice. Thank you.
My daughter-in-law also wants to speak something on this subject.
Sure,
So
sure. We would love to hear that.
In this COVID pandemic, no, everything is standstill. But Karim is on fast track of his success. Every day actively he starts his day, and I must say his behavior is totally changed. When I come back from the work, no, he used to say, "Mama, please give me my mobile for 5 minutes." Now he's like, "Mama, let's do our activities fatafat like that." He's so much interested, and now he's very active and he wants to do something very big, and I'm very happy with the thing. Thank you so much for your efforts and really, it's a nice experience. Thank you.
Well, that's so amazing to
Uh,
hear it from you. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. It's very
Disha,
encouraging for us. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry to
Yes,
interrupt, but I'd like to add on to that, if I am
please,
permitted to.
please, please.
Yeah, like Dinesh sir said that his grandson gets up at a particular time every day. And I'm sure every parent can relate to that because Aditi, what happens with us earlier, she was used to feel very excited to go to school and meet her friends. But since this virtual classes started, she's so habituated to that. She gets up every morning, and the first question that she asks me is like, "Mama, our school."
Right. Wow, that's so beautiful to know, and I'm sure. I mean, just listening to it, it's giving us such a sense of, satisfaction that whatever we were trying to, create, I think it is taking shape. So, thank you so much for sharing it. We have Charan's mama with us. Good evening, Mrs. Salgaonkar. We're glad you could join in. So thank you so much, Paran's grandpa. Thank you so much, Paran's mama, for sharing your thoughts on it. So I will go to Abir's mama now, Mrs. Mirotra. Uh, I would like to ask you how are the videos that we send? So beyond the live connect that we do every morning, we share the videos, for the day. How do you feel that has added to learning the concepts for the children? Do you see a progress? Are they helpful for children to go ahead with their virtual learning?
Firstly, thank you for having me. I'm glad to be here today.
Sure.
I think the videos are excellent and actually a piece of art. And when we started, I did sense some teething issues, and I could see that the teachers were camera shy, and the engagement was slightly low. But I think week on week they have evolved. I think they beat professionals, and I think it's just fantastic, and the effort they take, it speaks. You can see that they are trying to hold a book, they're trying to write with the pen, also trying to manage the camera settings. And what I really enjoy is that each and every teacher, while they're speaking, they would probe the child to reply, even though it's a one-way communication, but that encourages a two-way communication. So they would say that, okay, are you drawing with me? And then my son immediately says, yes, teacher. So it's not like, it's a blank video that they're just watching. So the engagement level is very high. And the content, of course, I think it's just evolving. And August, I think there's a rain of content from your end. And whether it is yoga or it is origami or it is learning the languages or maths, I think it's very good and highly engaging. Because Abir has often gone online and watched videos or stories, and even practicing yoga. But it's not been that encouraging and happy for him. But when he sees his own teacher, he sees his own friends, he sees familiar faces, he thoroughly enjoys. And the kind of encouragement that he gets from all his teachers, your team, you yourself, it's highly elating for him, when he hears his teacher saying, wow, Abhi. And it's really commendable. And not only videos, even on the groups when we chat and when the children are sharing their homework and their assignments in origami, I see each and every teacher acknowledging the work. The child may not be able to read it, but as a parent, for me also, it is quite a booster. That my child has drawn something and all the teachers are appreciating it. So yes, I think the videos are of great use. And in fact, there are times like today is a Saturday, and maybe I do a rerun of a video, so that he's practicing brain boost exercise, he's practicing origami again, because suddenly after 5 days, there's nothing to do, and the routine has become as such that they enjoy having the teachers, they enjoy, reciting days of the week and the month, and how's the weather. So even when it's a holiday for him, I do a rerun of the old link and I show him, so that he's happy and he's involved, and he does not realize it also that it's a rerun. I think because of the engagement factor being so high. So I feel the videos are excellent, and I'm so grateful to you all to take so many efforts. It is not easy to create videos and share them on a daily basis with the kind of resources available right now. And I come from the industry, editing each and every video, voice, lights, everything. But I think you guys have been extremely commendable, and I'm really lucky that my child is enrolled with WOW, and I look forward to such great times ahead.
Wow, that's very very encouraging. Thank you so much, Malhotra.
madam,
Thank you. And yes,
मैं
please.
हाँ, मैं इसके बारे में बोलना चाहती हूँ। जो आप जो डेली वीडियोस भेजते हैं ना, वो हमको जब
जी,
कभी हमने क्लासेस मिसिंग किए, पेरेंट्स ने कभी हमने मिसिंग किए, वो इतना वीडियो इतना हेल्पफुल है, वो हमको देख के बच्चों को हम वैसे ही जैसे टीचर्स सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, वो हम वैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं टीचर्स मतलब बच्चों पे। और बच्चे ना मतलब कभी सोचा नहीं था कि बच्चे ऑनलाइन को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि बच्चों का माइंडसेट कभी ऑनलाइन उनके लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम था ना इसलिए।
जी
पर
जी जी
हेड्स
जी
ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स को भी, मतलब सभी बच्चों ने इसको अडॉप्ट किया, मतलब वीडियोस देखने सीखने लगे। हमारे मतलब पेरेंट्स वही बोलते हैं कि ऑनलाइन से बच्चे इतने सीखने लगे, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से। कभी किसी
जी
ने सोचा नहीं था कि हाँ इस मतलब बहुत हेल्पफुल है वीडियोस, और सभी
बिल्कुल
वाव
आपने
टीम।
जी, जी, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा। एक्चुअली हम में से किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि हम प्री-स्कूल के बच्चों को ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहे होंगे थ्रू अ कंप्यूटर, यू
ऑनलाइन
नो। बट आई थिंक दिस टाइम हैज़ प्रूव्ड अस रॉन्ग, और ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी सीख है कि छोटे बच्चे जितनी जल्दी नई चीज़ों को अडैप्ट करते हैं, वो शायद हम पेरेंट्स के लिए एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी बहुत देर में आती है, और अगर मैं उसको ट्राई ही ना करूँ, तो शायद कभी ना। सो आई थिंक
कभी
जितना
नहीं कर सकते।
जितने अच्छे वर्ड्स आपने हमारे टीचर्स के लिए बोले, एंड आई एज आई सेड अगेन, आई गिव द entire credit to my teachers. You are right when you
वाव
mentioned that
किड्स का
it's not an easy job where teachers are at home since March, and with the simple tripod and a cell phone, they are preparing at night. What do I have to record? And they have to record and they have to send it early morning because network is the fastest in the mornings. So, these are some back-end challenges, and that work that our teachers are doing, which I'm blessed to have a team like that. I'm very very proud of them. So thank you so much. When you appreciate our teachers' work, I can't tell you how happy I feel, because they deserve it. They deserve it. This time, I think this is the best time. They deserve it by all means. So thank you so much. Uh,
So, Preeti, if I may add, with the videos, not only is the child learning, but as a parent, I'm also learning how to teach him. You know,
right,
initially, if I would teach him alphabets, या मैं हाथी राइम सिखाऊंगी, तो मैं अपने तरीके से सिखाऊंगी. मुझे नहीं पता कि how to break it down and teach it to a child, right? हिंदी
right,
सिखाना है, कैसे सिखाना है, मैंने बहुत सालों पहले सीखी थी. अब
right,
जब मुझे सिखाना है तो मैं उसको इंग्लिश में सिखा रही हूँ. मगर जब and when I'm seeing your videos, I
right,
realize कि मेरे को कैसे सिखाना है. I realize how it is conditioning. And somewhere also, I think this has been a blessing for me because I'm in a much better position to understand how my son is learning and also how can I teach him better.
right.
So as a parent, even it is helping me grow and connect more with my child than just, him learning.
Wow, that's amazing, and you're absolutely right. So when we were very glad to hear that too. So when we were even discussing and brainstorming that how would we record videos. So one thing we had decided as a team that you have to think of yourself as the parent who knows nothing, and when I say nothing, is about the methodology. Okay, who knows
Absolutely.
nothing about that, how am I going to introduce Hindi ka ek akshar ya a. So we were very clear with that part, and with the brainstorming part, so we understood that this was the thing we have to keep in mind while we record a video for every class. So that I am so glad to, it's so nice to know that this is working. So thank you so much for sharing that. So Charan's mama have been hearing the discussion. So Charan's mama, I will request you if you can share your thoughts on how the videos or the live call, how has it helped Charan, or as a parent, what is your experience?
First of all, Preeti Madam, thank you for having me here today, and I'm
Pleasure.
privileged to share my views on homeschooling. The videos which are shared on the screen are very helpful. The video does not contain only the syllabus part, but also the craft activities, the creative activities. Then the child is told for example, the child is told to bring five things or three things of the same color. So the child roams the house to get a thing, so it makes him very curious. And
Right.
secondly, I have to say that we have a very good feedback for the Wow Kids learning concept that has started, because we have seen lot of changes in him. I would like to tell you that he's very eagerly waiting for his papa to come back from school, come back from home. So he to show all the stories of the activities that has been carried throughout the day, what he has done in the live call, then the creative expression, the painting, the craft which he has done. He's very eager to show, and he makes his papa to do exercise and yoga asanas. We just talk to him. So he
No, that's
becomes like a teacher, and he talks like a teacher. So much of improvement in him we have shown. So
so.
we have a very good feedback on that, and I will tell that we will definitely continue for it till the school reopens. Because I want to like to tell the parents who have not yet enrolled their child to the online teaching that this is a very big rescue for the child right now, looking at the current pandemic situation, because we don't know when the school will reopen. So thanks Wow Kids for making this virtual learning easy in this situation and engaging beautifully our child for this by keeping our child safe at home. And another thing is I like to thank all the staff of the Wakis, the teachers. They are putting us very good, great efforts to make the videos very informative. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so nice to hear how children are, quickly adapting. And I think by now, children that are with us for the last 2 months, they have adapted. So the process of getting used to it is over. They are absolutely comfortable connecting with us each morning, and then, doing the activities. So which is so nice to hear. I would just I would want to know, and this question can be answered by any of you. That what do you feel? How this entire period of uncertainty, and then teachers stuck at home, and if you look at the geography that we have, especially in Goa, we remote areas, the network is really not very strong. The internet connectivity issues. In spite of these challenges, our teachers have been working tirelessly. What are your views on, what would you like to share? What do you think how the teachers have come up during this time? So anyone, maybe Aditi's mama, Mr. Nayak, anybody, please feel free if you would like to share your thoughts on it.
The teachers are doing a commendable job, coordinating with, the Panjim teachers and the Ponda teachers. They are coordinating with each other, they are creating videos and incorporating all the activities. I mean, pre planning the next week, this week itself, creating all the, wallpapers and everything. I think personally, as a mother, as a parent, I don't think, even if the school is declared by the government to reopen, I don't think I'll be willing to send my child, because she is very small, and at this age I don't think they are capable of maintaining that social distancing and wearing mask all the time. They are not very keen on doing all those things, because even if I take her out somewhere down just for a stroll, and if I tell her to wear the mask, she's not very comfortable. So I think all the parents will be able to relate to this, and I think it is the way things are going right now. The Wowkid is doing a great job, so I think this can continue for a while, and this should continue until it is really, really safe for all the kids to step out, I think.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. I agree with that because, right now, nobody has the answer to that question, that when is it going to be safe? And our the age group that we cater to is the youngest, so when it is not safe for adults, so I think that is the last thing which any want, that this should open, no matter what kind of unlock version is it. So I completely agree, there is no certainty. And so what would you like, if I have to ask, Abir's mama, what would you like to suggest to parents who, and with respect, this is, as I'm a parent too, I'm also worried if tomorrow the government announces that the schools should open. Uh, I would not send my child to. till the vaccination is in place, or I am 200% sure that the particular institution has things in place where, if I have to share examples of countries where the high schools have been opened, so they have done is like they're calling children 2 days in a week to school. Okay, so instead of 30 children, they are calling 50. So 2 days they will come and 2 days they will study from home virtually. So unless we have a clear guideline processes in place, we don't know when that's going to happen. So what do you suggest to parents who, because of that uncertainty, uh, nobody knows the answer to that question? Should they wait for let's say this session, and what is the possibility that it continues even for next academic session? So should they wait or should they give it a try? Is it worth giving a try that children go online and learn virtually, the preschoolers?
Preeti, that's a great question. As a parent myself, and like you rightly said, I don't think any of the mother or the parent would send their child out during such uncertain times, especially with no vaccine, and especially with, the immune system of the young ones and maybe to the COVID.
Right.
I feel that right now, while the kids who are not enrolled in any kind of a digital program, I feel they are at a loss somewhere. I understand the whole concept of not being in front of a screen to protect the eyes. But I'll get to it. I've seen a lot of people complaining that, the child will take for a year, he's just a toddler, it will not make much of a difference in his life. We will teach him how to write ABCD. Everybody thinks like that, and it's I think it's obvious for them to think like that, and especially in a place like Goa, where internet connectivity is
Big
just
issue.
bad. Living in cities and having great connections, also we have had Wi-Fi outreaches, and we had to miss out on classes. But what I feel is that every parent should definitely give it a try. Since the time Abir has started his virtual classes, I see a discipline, I see a routine. He sleeps every day on time because he knows that he has to get up on time because he has his class the next day. Right? It is something he looks forward to. Now at home, till the time things were not relaxed, if I may say so. As a mother, I had no help at home. So, whether it is keeping the house clean or doing the cooking or supervising, doing my own office work, it was a huge challenge. And somewhere one tends to neglect the child. You put on the TV, you can do whatever you can do right now. I'll try and attend to you later. So somewhere the child feels neglected, and that dampens his mental wellness and being. He just feels nobody's talking to me, nobody's playing with me. And I saw that with Abir also. Every time he would call me, I would say, "Maybe I'm busy right now. I'm doing my office work, whatever." But with the classes starting, he has a dedicated morning 45 to 1 hour solely with his teachers, friends, speaking his language, speaking his, songs, his nursery rhymes, his action, purely his me time.
Right.
There are times he tells me, "Mama, you go, I don't need you. I'm talking to my teacher." Right? And also, what I really like about your initiative is not only the links of the videos or the live calls. It's also those images that you share every day, which has the whole routine for the day. There's the page number in the book. It could be as simple as do gardening today, help your mama clean the almirah today. So basically, suppose I don't have Wi-Fi on a particular day, I still know what is the curriculum for the day, what activities lined up for the day. Maybe I am too engrossed in work, or maybe my laptop or mobile is not available. So with just that kind of chart, I can tell my child, okay, you should do gardening with me. Today, why don't you water the plants for me? Today, why don't you organize the almirah for me? So it's
Right.
not only the screen and the eyes are out. Even the way you have planned out the videos, you've broken down the videos in 4 parts of the day. And the teachers are also addressing the kids like that, have you had your evening tea or have you had your evening bonvita? Or, as simple as, okay, this family connect time now, it's night time, the whole family sitting together. So let us tell the whole family a story. So I think even breaking the whole part makes a lot of difference. And the images, and I'm completely for it, and honestly, this might take even a year and a half. So till then, we cannot let the child, be in that state where he's not seeing his teachers, not talking to his friends, just on his own. There's no vision, there's no goal. It's just doing
Right.
something tomorrow is likely to do. So I think with the online schooling, and especially with Wow Kids, where you're taking such great efforts, I think it's definitely a try for each and every parent. And I'm sure within a week they will see the results. I saw results in Naveen just in the summer camp. When we started practicing yoga, within 3 days he was less irritable, he was more happy, his appetite increased, and he would practice while sitting at home. So whether it is deep breathing or doing a tree pose, even the screen is moving. So yes, it has made a lot of difference. And I feel for parents who have still not given it a try, they should definitely give it a try. And especially with something like vouchers available, it's a must. Highly recommend.
Thank you so much, and I think you have summed up pretty well. That see, because I think when parents share their experience, I think it makes most sense to any new parent who is still in that phase of trying to understand that is it okay? I don't want my child to be in front of the screen, because I'm worried about the eyesight and everything. So I think the only our endeavor through this webinar is just to share from parent to a parent, because our only concern is that if you do not wish to enroll with any school or anything, it's fine. You are the parent, you know the best for your child. But then do spend time with your child. Don't let your child miss out the social interaction part, the physical activity part. Don't miss out on that. So you choose whatever you like as a parent. My only request is just let the child interact socially with as much, maybe the friends you have in your society, or wherever, because children should not miss out. So I really, really thanks you for sharing such beautiful experiences. I believe if anybody, so maybe we can take we have another 2 minutes. If any would want to avail of it. Yes, please, Charan's mama. Yes, please. Tell me.
Yeah, I want to really advise the parents who have not yet enrolled their child for the virtual learning that they should encourage their child to adapt to the new technology of online teaching which has been started, because I don't think there is any other option for it. Because some parents think that they will skip this year and will make their child to go to the school next year. But by doing this thing, I feel we are blocking the child brain development. We are blocking the brain development of the child because the brain develops till the age of 6 years. So I will really like to advise the parents that if we choose right now the online teaching as an option, the education will go ahead.
Well, thank you so much, Charan's mama. I think you mentioned a very, very important point that we don't have an option. And as a parent, if you ask me, you're right. I mean, this is not the best way to teach young children. We all know that. But as you mentioned, we don't have a choice. So when we do not have too many choices, we like to make the wise one. So I think that's a very valid point that you brought up. And I think I can only make one request to this medium to a lot of parents where they still are not comfortable with it. Even if you choose to skip this year, uh, please do not push the child to enter the next class next year because the child has grown by 365 days. So please don't do that. Let the child learn by his or her own pace, their comfort. It's very important. With that, I would like to thank each one of you for joining us on Wow Kids webinar today. And it was amazing listening to your experience. And believe me, as a team, and I speak on behalf of the entire Wow Kids team, we are encouraged. We are, it's like a dose of glucon C and D that it's going to help us, create many more interesting activities. And I can assure you, August is like, lined up with interesting activities coming, your way. So you should be very excited. We are very excited for August. So thank you once again, and your encouragement means a lot to us. To all our viewers, who took out time and are with us or live right now, I thank you. to be with us here. And next Saturday, we will connect with few more parents because it is so important for them to share their experiences with a lot of parents, not just pan India, I would say globally. So thanks once again. It was a pleasure talking to each one of you, listening to you, and stay safe. And we shall meet next Saturday with more parents. Thank you, and see you on Monday for the live call. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.